Motherboard. The motherboard is a very important piece of hardware, namely the main board that connects various other computer hardware components. Until now, motherboards have become increasingly complex with the addition of various components. The types can be differentiated by brand, size, and performance. My experience with motherboard was in the first semester because at the time there was a special hardware course that studied how computers work and the parts. Even though at the beginning it was a little difficult to remember the parts of the motherboard because I had never studied about them before. But because we studied the material and practice, now I understand better. The practice is to put the parts in the proper place or slot, and you have to be careful when inserting the group pin, so that the position must not be mixed up. So the group pin consists of 5 small wires which already have their own names. If they get mixed up, that would reduce its practical value. There are many components on the motherboard, namely, firstly, the CPU, Central Processor Unit, which function as the brain of the computer, which regulates all the work carried out by the computer. Second, RAM, random access memory, function as a temporary data storage medium. Third, the input or output port is used to connect various external input or output devices to the computer, such as mouse, keyboard, printer, and other USB devices. Other components are chipset, NOT bridge, SOT bridge, BIOS, CD port, PCI slot, AGP, CMOS, and power connectors. How the motherboard works is data is sent from the databus, then the data enters the chipset and continues to other components, such as CPU, RAM, and storage memory. The benefit of me studying this motherboard is that what I just realized is that there are lots of computer components, not just hardware but also software. And as much as possible, we have to be as careful as possible so that the motherboard is not damaged. Because if the motherboard is damaged, it will have fatal consequences for the other components and the computer cannot be used. The way care for it is to clean it regularly and use it sensibly and not leave it for too long. Lastly, with us in the IT department, it doesn't rule out the possibility of the people around asking about computers. Because from my experience, there are also things like that. But at least now I have an idea and can answer the questions. Thank you.